Hey, you are watching AliAziz YouTube channel.
Top 13 Computer System Analyst, Software, Interview Questions and Answers. For fresh and experienced candidates, subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. 1. Mention what is the basic role of a computer system analyst. Provide assistance to users solving computer-related problems. Test, maintain and monitor systems and computer programs. Coordinate and connect the computer systems within an organization to increase compatibility. Modify system to improve workflow. Training and assisting staff and users to work with computer systems. Recommend new equipment or software packages. Determine computer software or hardware required in an organization. Good understanding of company's database. Publish weekly report which identify progress made towards implementing monitoring by application and by environment. 2. Mention what are the skills required to become a computer analyst. Good learning and listening skills. Complex problem-solving abilities. Time management. Troubleshooting. Good knowledge of software application and networking. Quality control analysis. Critical thinking. 3. Mention what is DHCP server. DHCP server stands for Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol, that is designed as the functional extension of the Bootstrap network protocol. It is a server or client protocol that automatically caters an Internet protocol, IP, host with its IP address and other configuration as the subnet mask and default gateway. 4. Mention why to use DHCP server. DHCP server allowed entire process to be automated and managed centrally. DHCP server maintains the IP addresses in bulk and assign an address to any DHCP-enabled client when he switch onto the network. As such, the addresses are dynamic rather than static, so the addresses which are no more in use are automatically returned to the bulk for reallocation. 5. Mention what is subnetting. Subnetting is the procedure of partitioning a single TCP/IP network into a number of distinct network segments called subnets. 6. Mention what computer system analyst document. Computer system analyst can document what is going in current systems, and what can be expected in systems that have not been built yet. Documenting is often done in collaboration with technical writers, system designers, and system architects. List of things that computer analysts document include: user scenarios, functional activities, data flows, classes, interfaces between systems. 7. Mention what are the types of requirements that a system analyst should gather and analyze. System analyst should gather requirements like technical requirements. It includes the detail about what the system is built, including which language it will be programmed in, what standards are to be maintained, etc. Functional requirements. It includes the detail about what needs to be delivered, which is generally read by software engineers, project managers, and business analysts. 8. Explain what is spoofed packet. Spoofed packet is an Internet protocol packet that is created from a fake IP address, but behaves as a legitimate and authenticated sender. It is usually used in denial of service attacks and are used to defeat the security mechanism of the network and bypass service which are based on IP authentication. 9. Mention what are some organization software usage policies that computer analyst can implement in an organization. Disallowing the use of external drives for employees to access organization's data. Not allowing to download pirated software and electronic files that are copyrighted or unauthenticated. No sharing of confidential material, proprietary information, or trade secrets outside the organization. Not allowing them to hack into unauthorized websites or download contents. not allowing them to post or send information that is offensive to the company or organization, preventing downloading of any malicious software onto the company network, not allowing employees to pass off personal views as representing those of the organization. 10. Mention what does the software audit includes. Software audit includes looking into an employee's computer system for violation of security and company's policy. Regular audits of all servers and computers to check whether they are updated and streamlined with all software licenses. Adapting audit system that is least bothering to employee and their task. Apart from regular audits, random audit should be done to check whether there is any deletion or addition of software to the system. 11. Mention what are the steps for record keeping for software. A register should be maintained that includes the detail of software like software's publisher name and title, source and date of software acquisition, location of the software installation as well as the serial number of the hardware on which copy of the software is installed, location and existence of backup copies, serial number of software products. 12. Mention how to do the registration of software. When an organization receives purchased software, the designated department must receive the software first to complete registration and inventory requirement before installations. And in the event the software is shrink-wrapped, the software receiving department must complete the registration forms and return it to the software publisher. Software must be registered on the name of the organization and not an individual user. 13. Mention what the difference is between SSH and SSL. SSL and SSH both are special encryption and protocol technologies used to connect two computers. SSH stands for Secure Shell, which commonly uses port 22 to connect your system on another system via Internet. It is often used by network administrators as a remote login or remote control to manage their business servers. SSL stands for Secure Sockets Layer. It commonly uses port 443 to connect your system to a secure system on the Internet. It is often used for transmitting information like tax, banking, credit card, personal information to a business server somewhere.